Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the quick settings menu in Microsoft Edge. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we are going to open the application like so. Here on the bottom of the screen we are going to click on the three dots. With that we access the quick menu. Here we have a lot of options. The first one is home. Home is pretty simple. If I go onto a site, like for example like this, and if I click on home, it's going to throw me back to the home page. The next one is new in private tab, which sadly I cannot show it properly, but it will open an incognito or an in private tab like so. I'm going to close it. The third one is add to favorite. This option is basically going to bookmark or add to our favorites the website that I'm currently on, like so. Here if I check my favorites, I can be able to see it like there. The next one is drop. For drop I need to sign in, but it's basically allows me to share the current website that I'm on to my PC or to my other devices. I'm not going to do that right now. The view in desktop site is basically allows me to view the site as if I opened it on my computer. You can turn this off if I click on the mobile site button, which replaces the view desktop site. Find on page is going to open up a search bar like so, and if I type in anything like so, it's going to show me the results that it finds on this site like so, and I can click in between it. Next up is read out loud. I'm not going to click on it. It's basically going to read out the whole website. If my site would be impaired, this would be really helpful for me. The font size is basically going to be able to change the size of the text like so. I'm going to leave it as is. If I scroll, there are other options like send to devices. To send to devices is basically the same thing as drop. Add to phone is basically allows me to add an icon to my home screen. I'm not going to do that. Download page is going to download this whole website to my phone, and if I click on the downloaded website, it's going to open up this website right here. Help and feedback is basically a report function if there's something wrong with the website or to the Microsoft Edge browser. And the last one is exit browser, which is basically going to close Microsoft Edge itself like so. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.